Hello and welcome to my computer science program. Let's just get started right away here. So what you can see right here on the screen right now is my database. Um, and what this is, it contains all the data that I will be using in this project. So in my case, it is all the names of the swimmers and the times that they've swum in meets throughout their seasons. So now if I go to my program right here, you can see I went for a very simple GUI. I went with maroon and gold to signify the team colors. And then, so let's just get started with the swimmer variable. So I'm a swimmer, so I will use that. And I will type in my name as a request. And the program accesses all the times that are in the database right here. So you can see all the times that are in this spreadsheet right here show up right here. And so now what I will do, so press OK, and then it asks you if you would like to add a time. I would. So I'm going to put in the time that I swam at sections this past month. 200 free. I went a 2:02. And the day of the meet was February 21st, 2019. And the name of the meet was Section Prelims 6AA. There's the new time. It also shows up right here. So then what we can do, you can copy it. And then once you press OK, the spreadsheet shows up. And then what you simply do is you find, here's the 200 free. I insert a cell and shift all the other cells down. And there's my new time. And now, next time I use it, that time will show up along with the rest of the other times. And now going back to the coach variable, this one is password protected. I have it set right now to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very secure. And then it asks, what would you like to access? So you can access all the times, which does bring you straight to the spreadsheet, or you can access a single swimmer's time. And then you can also add a time in there. And that's about it. Thank you.
One of the things that I think you should do, and I don't know that I heard it off the top of your